Greetings. Just needed a little snack here on an afternoon, and in the campground I'm at over this 4th of July weekend, there's a lot of loud generators running, and you can always tell when they're making popcorn or something like that because they're running the microwave and the generator revs even higher. There's no need for any of that because right here, with a few simple ingredients, you can make up super fast popcorn in a pot very, very simply. All you're going to need is obviously your pot. You're going to need, a couple tablespoons of high temperature cooking oil. I'm using a 3-oil blend that's good just about up to 500 degrees smoke point. And obviously you're going to need some popcorn. I'm using organic popcorn. Light the stove. Heat the oil. It'll only take a quick minute because I'm using a very thin metal pan or pot here. And that's the secret here. It gets that flame heat directly into the oil and heats it up almost immediately to the point where it's about time to do that already. And sort of like Jiffy Pop, just going to keep stirring it up, and the point is to keep contact with the hot oil with the kernels. You want to keep that heat nice and high. That's part of the secret here. And I already see bubbles forming inside the pot. I'll keep stirring. Give it a few seconds. And as soon as you hear a pop, you're going to want to slap that lid on real quick because it's going to happen fast. You'd be surprised how quickly popcorn happens when you do it this way. Another way you can do it is with a metal bowl and tin foil over the top. You might want to poke a few holes for ventilation. But wear gloves in that case because the bowl's going to get real hot. And we're making popcorn. Here we go. Going to be done here any second. Smells wonderful. Nothing like the smell of fresh popcorn. And this, there we go. I think we're ready to stop there. See a little puffs coming out. And look at that. A bowl of popcorn. Just like that. It's trying to scorch a little bit. And the key here is to keep it moving, otherwise it will scorch. And I did get a little bit of scorching. I can kind of smell there. And now I'm going to season it with a little bit of garlic powder. Because I'm like that. Whoa, still hot in there. And a bunch of salt. A bunch of salt. I like salt. If you can't handle too much salt, then don't do it this way. But I like me some salt on my stuff. And that's where the lid can come in back in here. Give us a chance to shake it all up. And now it is ready to serve. And in less than 4 minutes, we have popcorn. No generator required. And of course, it's perfectly heart healthy with the avocado oil and the safflower oil, non-GMO organic corn, sea salt, organic garlic powder, and away I go. A handy snack. Not even 4 minutes elapsed from start to finish. Oh, maybe 30 seconds of prep getting the ingredients together, but it's incredibly easy, and I didn't have to listen to a generator rev on high to support the running of a microwave. And by the way, microwave popcorn's bad for you. Don't eat it. But thank you very much for joining me here for this quick, super fast, and easy, simple, quiet way to make popcorn in a jiffy.